Hello and welcome back to our series on how to use the social Wi-Fi dashboard. Let's take a look at something very interesting and something you're probably buying social Wi-Fi for: your user data. You're going to want to get that out of the social Wi-Fi system and into your own email marketing tools, your CRM. So the ability to export that data is very important to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export that using Excel. We do have some developments upcoming that will enable an API, so you'll be automatically able to get those into your other systems. We do have some webhook tools at the moment, and we have a Zapier application under approval with Zapier, and we also have an Integromat application as well, which is very similar to Zapier. It pulls data and pushes it into other tools. We'll do some different videos on that, and we'll update them as and when our developments happen. But for this case, let's take a look at finding that user data in the dashboard and exporting it. You're going to see some white sections on the dashboard. I obviously don't want to show personal data of real people in this video. So behind the white bits, there is genuine data. Believe me on that. But obviously, data protection is very important to us and you if you're capturing data. So we can download data and view data on a project level and a venue level. So if you've got 10 venues, for example, you don't need to do 10 downloads. You can go in to the project, go to the same place I'm going to show you, and you can get a compiled list in one export. It's going to be very handy for you. Here we're in a venue, and what I'm looking for is the user data tab on the left hand side. So at the moment it's the third button down, and we get a list of all of the data that we've captured on the guests at this property. Very simple. At the top of the page, there is Open XLSX export file. If I click on that, it has exported for me a Microsoft Excel file. I can open that and I can now do what I wish with this information. If I want to put that into my other CRMs, I can. Because we've captured all of this data in a GDPR compliant manner, or if you're in America, in accordance with their laws as well, it's fine for you to use. People have opted in to marketing communication with this, so you don't have anything to worry about right there. So as I said, the same process applies on a project level. So now I've gone into the main project. We have the user data tab here, and I have the same option to export all of that at the top of the page. So very, very easy to do, but it's probably one of the most important things you're going to want to know how to do as a client of social Wi-Fi.